Welcome back, Year 8. So today we are going to be looking at multiplying out brackets, something that you need all the way through to GCSE, so it's really important that you master it. And I have got the most simplest way that you can think of. So let's get started. We've got brackets of x plus 3, x plus 5. Now the acronym FOIL is the easiest way that you can expand out or multiply out your double brackets. So FOIL stands for firsts, outers, inners, lasts. So let's get started. Your firsts, we're going to take the first in each of your brackets and multiply them out together. And I'm going to use colours just so that you can see where we're going with this. Outers is the outer parts of your two brackets. So our x times our 5 to give us 5x. Then we're going to do our inners. So 3 times x, which gives us 3x. And then our last is the last two parts in our two brackets. 3 times 5 to give us 15. Now you might think that we're done there, but we've just got one little more thing to do before we finish. We need to simplify our x's together. X squared stays where it is, the 15 stays where it is. But these two parts, we can collect our like terms, like you would have learnt previously, and simplify them to x squared plus 8x plus 15. And now you're done. There you go, simple as that.